I'm telling you how to make something like this in Procreate. Just tap new and select the resolution you want. Okay, and now and now tap on less. Background image turn into black. And now go to set actions, drawing guide, edit drawing guide, tap symmetry, tap options, radial. Make sure you have turned on assisted drawing. And now tap done and select the brush which you want, like any brush which you want. uh, I would like to have the water brush, which is in where it got elements, water. Okay, now reduce the size, turn on blue, and you can also always make something new, like uh, water organic. Or many things like other, which will be a good thing. But every time you create a new layer, make sure you have assistant. So which is so that's the essential key. That's all, guys. Bye, guys.